In this Numbers Quick Click, I'm going to show you how to use some of the additional media tools. So popping into Numbers, I'm going to tap on this plus button here and you can see that I am in the Media tab. So obviously this first one, photo or video, this gains us access to our photo or video library. So perhaps I need to place in a photo that I already had, maybe as part of my explanation for my spreadsheet in front of me. I can do the same thing for a video. Tapping on the camera button, that allows us to record video instantly, so directly right now, or take a photo right now and it pops it straight in rather than going through my camera library. This next one, record audio. So when we tap on that, you'll notice this looks quite similar to adding audio in Keynote and in Pages. So again, I might say, investigate why I spend so much on groceries. Press stop. I'm going to edit. I'm going to edit out the beginning and maybe the end and say trim. And then when I say insert, it gives us that little speaker function. So I might place it very close by to where I've got the groceries tab there. I can also include videos from the web, so like YouTube clips, or insert from my different files as well. And that's how you use some of the additional media tools in Numbers.